Love isn't measured in words, but in the quiet moments of closeness. Sometimes silence carries more meaning than anything else.
Thank you. Okay. Can I kiss your forehead? Thank you so much. Can I have a hug? Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. Hi. This is some love. This one's some love. Yeah. Do you want to kiss?
A soft touch can heal what a long day has broken. That's the kind of love that never runs out.
Really?
Happiness doesn't need to be grand. Sometimes it's just being held close, feeling safe, and knowing you are loved.
My dog saved me. People say, "Oh, how can an animal make such a difference to your life?" He puts a smile on my face when I don't feel like smiling at all.
What matters most is not perfection, but the quiet assurance that someone is always there.
Oliver, come.
Love shows up in the smallest ways, and somehow those small ways end up being the biggest comfort.
Mira cómo te cuidan.
There's no need for words when hearts already understand. Connection like that doesn't ask for explanations.
No! No!
A little affection can turn an ordinary day into something unforgettable. That's the quiet magic of love.
Harry. The paw. The paw gets me every time.
The simplest gestures often carry the deepest meaning. A glance, a smile, or just being near, enough to say everything. Sometimes the strongest comfort is found in the gentlest embrace. Softness has its own kind of strength. Love doesn't always need to be loud. Sometimes the quiet devotion is what speaks the loudest. Warmth doesn't come from blankets or sunshine, but from the quiet closeness that makes every moment softer. A single moment of closeness can heal hours of weariness. That's the quiet strength of being cared for.
Ow! Check me.
The heart remembers not the noise of life, but the warmth of steady closeness.
Yes, yes, Phoebe. What? Yes.
The quiet bond built day by day is far stronger than anything that appears suddenly. What stays in memory longest is not noise, but the softness of being cared for without condition.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
When I look at you, I can't believe.
A gentle presence at the right time can heal more than 1,000 words ever could.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Even on the hardest days, one gentle touch is enough to remind us that we're never truly alone. Quiet loyalty has no need for words. It shows itself in presence, time after time. The smallest acts, done with care, weave threads that hold the heart steady through storms.
If you love cuddles with your man, don't get a dog. You can kiss that life goodbye.
Hi there.
Who are you?
I'm old Greg. Pleased to meet you.
Sometimes the deepest bond is not spoken but lived, day after day, in the quiet rhythm of togetherness. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one.